Hello, fellow creatives. My name is Chelony, Pinay painter from the Netherlands, and welcome to Chelony's Creative Channel. And for today's video, I decided to create something for myself. This is my personalized sketchpad. Yes, and I purchased this in AliExpress, and it's special because it's made of canvas. The board or the cover is made of canvas, and then I decided to put a tape on it and a gesso so I can start creating something. And now I'm sketching something that I really want, but I don't have any reference. It's just in my head. So yeah, I decided to create something personalized since yeah, it's a sort of my style, right? I love flowers and I love a beautiful face. So I decided to create this one. Anyways, let's see later what will be the outcome of this painting. And while we are doing our sketching, I would like to give some shout out to the following people and for your support. I want to say thank you for your support for watching my videos. My last and previous video, which is I was lazy to make an art. So I know some of you are the same as me, and yeah, sometimes I feel like this, but every day I must make something to motivate myself. Anyways, let me say hi and happy viewing to a simple feel family, and she's one of the one of my friends here in YouTube. And of course, to my father, Mr. Ping Mercado, hi to you. And sabi ni Simple Phil have a good weekend as always. And thank you so much. And to Tatay Ping, he said, wow, can I have that? It's beautiful. They are talking about my ugly painting. All right. And my Tita Nina loved it because she said, wow, loved it. And saying hi to my Tita Nina there in Tokyo, Japan. And before we continue my shout outs, I would like to say something about what I'm doing now. And here I'm putting my background, and I chose blue, and yes, we are doing the basic colors. So let me continue saying hi to Loyalty Vlog. Galing nyo po talaga, kaibigan. Ganda ng talent mo. Thank you so much, Loyalty Vlog. Ayan. And here in our painting, we are putting a base color for the face. And I mixed, actually, I only have few colors of acrylic because I normally use oil paint. Yeah. Um, I just mixed the old. I don't know what's the color of that. It's like a purple red and white and yellow. So I created a little bit of that color. Mm-hmm. And so let me say hi also to Rara Fernandez Urara, my friend in Bataan. I always call her ang pambato ng Bataan. Yes. All right. And thank you so much. I'm actually covering now the whole face, and I'm still undecided at this time what it's gonna be because I covered my sketches Anyways, hi also to Talentadong Ilonggo. He said, basta gawang Chelony, talaga idol, madam. Thank you so much. Ayan, nakakataba naman ng puso. And sabi ni Rara, I like to have it. More, more, more. Yes, now I created more. And yes, I'm sorry about that because I'm checking out my videos. Let me see. I need to. Oops, oops, oops. Yes. I need to give some shout outs again to other people in my other videos because I'm so happy that you guys are um, appreciating my art. And from this ones, I got it from the second to the last post I did. So, may suke, Rara Fernandez Urara. Yon, thank you po. Pa-mention. Galing-galing talaga. I'm so proud of you. Sobrang idol kita. Talaga. More paintings, artworks po. Thank you so much, Rara. You know, you are one of the most um, how could I say that? How can I say that? Uh, you are my one of the most supportive friends I have, and thank you so much. And from Agnes and Dwayne channel, love this one as well as the bright colors. Thank you so much. And they're talking about my other art. Um, and Marinella Payne from USA also. Interesting, and I always what is this? As always, you did great on this painting. Thank you so much, Marinelli, and greetings there in the USA. And a simple Phil and family, wonderful creation of yours as always. Thank you, and thank you for sharing with great information. Thank you so much. And from Guzmus, nice one. Thank you so much, my hubby dubby. And from Kuya Bruce Lee Strong, amazing paint. Galing naman si Chelony. Dati dream ko maging painter tulad ng friend ko na si ER Tagle. Nakakamangha ang mga exhibit niya. Pang coverage. Marami akong kilalang artist. Ayun. Ayun, thank you so much Kuya Bruce Lee. And of course, my very good friend Edo Silk Screen Print. Galing-galing Ate Che. Thank you so much. Aking kaibigan na nandyan sa Lipa. And to June Mercado, Lodi, sadya ikaw ate. Galing-galing. Thank you so much. And Art of Cooking by JV. Idol talaga kita kabayan. Ang gagaling ng kamay mo. Ang galing-galing ng kamay mo. Pulido ang mga linya ng kulay. Ayun. Thank you so much. And guys, please support all my YouTube friends. And ito, Batanggenyong Leas Vlogs. Nice artwork. Thank you so much, brother. He's my brother from Ibiza, Spain. And from Travel Worldwide TV, wow, ang galing niyo po. God bless sa bagong kaibigan. Thank you so much. And galing kay Madam Bang, super ganda talaga ng mga paintings mo, Sisi. Thank you so much. And from Tatay Ping Mercado, I'm always proud of you. Thank you so much, Tay. And of course, talentadong Ilonggo, galing nyo po talaga, madam. Salamat. Ayun. At napakarami pang mga likes and comments. Alright, so I'm so sorry about that because my daughter came here to ask something. And let's continue. I'd like to say thank you also to the people of Pamilyang Walang Iwanan, legit YouTubers, and to my group in Facebook, I Love Philippines, and to all my Facebook friends, and sa mga mentors ko, especially to Tito Rolly M. De Leon. He was my mentor and boss sa TV production. He was the one who discovered me on TV productions during our national art competition, on the spot competition in Quezon City. And at that time, I brought my students. During that time, I was teaching arts. And long time ago, I was like 21 years old. I created or I established my own business, art business. It's a tutorial center in Lipa City, Philippines. And shout out to all my former students that's now great painters. And yeah, this what I'm doing now in YouTube. It's just like a hobby, and I just want to practice my hands to paint or sketch. So yes, until now I don't do my tutorials for you guys, but I think at least you can learn some of the techniques when I'm sketching like this. You can already see it and see the arts. Anyways, let's continue. What else I'm going to say? I want to say hello once again to my very supportive friend also, to Direct Tony Y. Reyes. He is one of the famous film directors in the Philippines, and he's my friend. And also, I want to say hi to Father Arnold Alindayao and Brother Bernard. Brother Bernard is a broadcaster in the Philippines, and he was a host for a, what do you call this? A Catholic program in ABS-CBN. Anyways, let me stop for a while, and I want to check my editing. Let me see. All right, so let's continue here. I'm doing her lips, and I really love the shade of her lips because that's my favorite shade for myself. And if you reach this far, I would like to say thank you very much, guys, for supporting my channel and for watching my video. My videos, not only this, but all my videos. Please, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe, Chelony's Creative Channel. And to those who already subscribe, thank you so much. And please don't forget to comment down below, like and share. And please set your subscription to all by clicking the notification bell. And yeah, I'm doing here the hair, which is green, and a leaves. Yes. And if you have kids also, please subscribe also to my daughter's channel. Look for Rafi Lelyveld, RAFIELIEVELD. All right. So and unfortunately on that channel you cannot send comments. And by this time at my painting, I'm doing the freckles, and I really love freckles. I have freckles myself, but I hate it for myself. And I have those flowers there, and doing some highlights here. And let's say hi also to Direct Tony Y. Reyes, to Father Arnold, and Brother Bernard, and also to my mentor, to Tito Rolando de Leon. He is my mentor. He was my mentor on TV productions. And yes, I'm doing some shades here. And thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. And I really loved and enjoy this painting, although it's a really quick art. And I did this like for 20 minutes, I guess. And the other side, I'm going to do that next time. And by this time, I think I'm going to remove the tape. And it's the most satisfying part of my painting to remove the tape. Yeah. And my daughter also said that. So, thank you so much. And I hope we can create more arts. And I hope I can give you some more tips and tutorials. And yeah, I will be giving away some of my arts also, maybe on my birthday for next month. And I hope you enjoyed this video and hope to see you next time. Stay creative. Bye. Love you all.